Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at a problem, uh, right? We need to check if a function is it can be divided by one number or the other. Okay. So what we can do is, so since we have 10 and 3, we need to give out the remainder, right? So what happens? 3 threes are 9 plus 1, right? So whatever the indivisible number is, we just give that thing out, right? So of course we have a modulo operator that we can use, right? I'm not sure if I think it does work, right? Modulo number 2, because it has implementations differently in different languages, of course, but let's just try to run it. Of course it will run. Right, let's just check other people's solution as well by submitting it. Has to be similar, man, otherwise it's just useless basically. Yeah, everything should be something similar. Yeah. Okay, that's a very easy one, right? Of course. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.